Let's
trying
just
to
go.
find. I'm recording. The light. Oh, dang it! I missed it. Oh, wait, I see it.
Como tiró acá. Allá.
Where?
Like down, all the way down there to the other side.
I'm recording, just so you know, so I can watch it later.
Everyone's like out of here.
Oh my gosh, I got it like right here. Come on, now, you get the clue. Why does it say K?
What's it in?
That's a K. Right there. See it? Right
Yeah.
there.
Look,
What? It's
right there.
K. Did it flash?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right about. Chicken jaw.
Chicken wing, hot and balloon man, chicken and macaroni man, chicken and man, chicken wings. I don't want to sing that one. I can't remember mine.
It's so special. Never seen it before.
Nathan, you have.
Well,
It's just been years. Oh, that's. Oh, dang, I missed it. But it flashed anyways, like right here. So it just
Yeah, it's
makes the
here.
blue. It makes
It's
the
not
blue.
it's down here.
What do you mean?
Sirens are going off. Hey, we just got a warning.
I didn't. Are you scared? We can't
No.
see you.
Not scared. Because that's only what's feeding the fear of everything.
Oh, I got it!
It's back there.
I know, but I still got it. Mother,
Keep
are you
building hair.
recording? What?
The wind is going out there.
I don't see anything in the back. I'm gonna record through this shield so I can
Rosie's got to be careful.
He works at Amazon. They don't have windows. So they're...
Still, the building can collapse too.
Oh, true.
We don't know how strong this thing is, but it's going to be pretty strong if it's extreme.
We just gotta be careful. I feel bad for the people who still work at night.
Yes, because they have the children at home eating all this.
Oh my gosh, poor Leo. Poor Leo.
Probably Leo's already in the.
Aaliyah.
Or Leah. I think she's probably down there. The mall.
Her mom works. I think her mom comes around nights or something. I don't know.
This is Sonito.
I think she got an older sibling. It's just the air.
Low pressure.
Where?
Right here. Go there.
It's just this. Did I miss that?
Was that the window cracking?
No.
It was.
Where?
You cracked more.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. It went up to crack.
Mom, was that crack there before? La que se fue arriba, ahí. No? Let's see.
That wasn't there.
It was there. I missed it again. I'm recording. Like me.
I think we should put our computers down and everything.
Why?
Lightning strike everywhere. That means no joke.
I know, I'm trying to put it on camera.
You think I'm a joke right now?
No, why would I think you're a joke? I said, I know.
Ooh.
That's weird. Hi.
Down there.
I know.
Down there.
Bruh, what's on
That was
there?
right beside me. It was right beside us.
Turn on. Say hi.
This is the weather forecast, Mikes.
I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Coming in, Mikes.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Extreme storms.
Should I post it on YouTube? Stagecoach where?
Stagecoach.
Oh, I thought you said there's Stagecoach. I said where? I thought you said there's Stagecoach. Can I stop recording
I don't think you should stop recording.
until we get to the mall?
I think so.
Okay.
Maybe run with them.
Oh my gosh, I got it on camera.
No, I didn't tocar los pelos de los. Listen, don't touch your hair, right?
I know that. I just said that when we got in the car. I'm wearing baggy. But I'm.
What mall we're going to?
What mall? La Grande? That Kelly always goes to? Yeah, we're going to the mall that Kelly always goes to.
We're talking about the big one that y'all went to.
It has a Dippin' Dots, yeah. Where me. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
That was behind all those trees.
that was a cracking one right there.
I was so close on touching my hair. Guys, I'm scared.
Thank God he with us.
For real though. I don't know. Yeah. Cole Glen Road, 1 mile. Nice. Never asked.
Stay alert, you
What do you mean? Is it just me or the sounds are off now?
No. There's more sirens down there.
Oh.
Down here.
I thought it was just me. I didn't really think a tornado would actually happen.
Kikis, we're literally in the path.
No, we're not. Dang, people are speeding.
I can hear the wind.
Look, you can tell. People are speeding. And some people are coming home from work.
Lots of people are leaving from right here.
Yeah, another person went speeding. Another person went speeding.
This is a needle.
What?
That sound from the glass. Why is it doing that?
Oh, that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because they still gotta fix it. Right, Ma? See? It's because it's not wanting to stick anymore. But it's still closed. So it's just like that. Oh my gosh! I actually got it on camera. I turned that way and I got it. I'll show you at the mall, okay?
Yeah, once we run in.
Yeah. Well, I'll keep recording until we got it and get in. Look at that! Sleigh.
Probably struck right here, the lightning.
Yeah. Oh, is that where they practice their football?
Golf.
Oh, I thought it was football.
Nah.
It's just where the trees have gone apart. The trees have gone apart.
That's good.
I don't like this, guys. I'm scared. I don't like this part. This is what I don't like about it. The trees are parted. I like when they're together. Waffle House is open 24 hours. I want some now. We still kind of gone into a hotel. It's better. Look, is that a
The
hotel?
will not protect us from debris and winds that are stronger than anything.
Is that? When there was the last tornado, when we were little, we went to a hotel and we survived.
Yeah, because they didn't hit us.
It did. It technically did.
Alright.
Eat, play. I don't know these people. Except I don't know these people in those other cars. I don't know who. That. Oh my gosh.
I saw that.
I pointed there and then it struck down there. That's crazy. Ah!
Right now.
Don't scare me. I felt something and you touched my hair.
I like it.
Touch me again. We're in downtown.
We're in downtown, huh?
Yeah. One half miles. I don't know, guys. I don't know about this.
I don't feel safe.
I have a bad feeling.
No, I have the biggest bad feeling that
I got the worst, Nathan. I feel like
Uy, that was close, wasn't
that
it?
was close. Mom is literally driving.
Ese fue como
And it was like
ahí,
literally,
¿verdad?
it was like down there. I literally saw that. Poor people that live there. I feel bad. Because it literally struck down there. I think by the Zaxby's. I don't know how you say that.
Zaxby's.
Zaxby's. Oh, not bad.
Oh no, ya se calmó aquí todo.
I have a bad feeling.
Ya se mo-
I said it like over and over, but still. Because when it's calm,
It's not good.
yeah. I might edit all of this before everything, and then
Oh, that was down there.
I'm gonna stop recording. And as soon as I break high, sure another lightning strike like in front of us, like from all the way down there, or down there, or down there. Well, strike down there, but I didn't get it. Or down there. Sing a happy song that will make this feeling go away.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd.
Oh, yeah, where am I
Buy
pointing?
me some crap.
Look at my water bottle.
I don't
Look at my water bottle. I'm prepared. Wait, where's your backpack?
root for the Dodgers. So now, because there's 1, 2, 3 strikes are
We're in Barrow. Oh, wait, no. Mississippi. Wait, what? Mississippi and Barrow.
We're close.
I never been to Mississippi, guys. So that means the water's under this road?
Oh!
So that means the water's under this road? Because if we're crossing Mississippi, there should be water under this road then. Shouldn't it be?
I don't know, but that was lightning just struck.
Tell me when
Hey,
I have to voice it this way then, because sometimes it always goes that way. I got it. Last time we could. I felt a little drop on my hand.
I felt that light water.
Look, guys. So, I don't know what that is. I got it again. Crazy, man. It's crazy. What? University! And Mississippi again. I don't know where am I recording, but okay. I trust this. I trust in my heart. I trust my family. I trust God. I don't know where we're going, but I'm trusting my mom.
I'm trusting my mom to get us safe.
She knows where she's going, okay? She'll get us safe.
I trust
Matt, what mall are we going to? It's just all silent, just me and you talking.
Yeah, because she knows where she's going. She knows where
Here's the university, guys. The only exit. Oh, wow. Nice. I'm gonna switch hands. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but... Oh, dang it. I missed it. Bro, I'm literally getting tired. I hope I can sleep somewhere that I'm so tired.
Where?
Wait, hold on. I'm tired. How am I supposed to sleep? In the mall.
How we're supposed to sleep? Yeah.
Oh, we're almost here. I know what place. I know which one Mom was talking about. I just don't remember the name. the mall. We're almost here, guys. I'm gonna stop recording. Peace. Okay, to go check on my brother. It's raining so hard. I'm already here. I'm on the ground. Nothing can get me. But we're safe. My mom's in the car. She's gonna be fine. Oh, let's go. It's gonna be loud, but it can't go louder. Just go safe.
He said that it's gonna when it calms down, it's gonna probably hit us, and we have to run back. So it's a safe area. Tell mom to get the car ready and put it down there because the wind is gonna blow in. Get out.
I'm trying to record.
It's very like 2 feet right there. No, let me.
The wind is
He is doing
strong.
that.
I'm running back. I'm running back. I have to go check on my mom. Ma. So, Nathan dijo que el Señor dijo que cuando todo se calme, ya va a venir la tornado, and Nathan said to tell you to get the car ready and to go drive all the way back, so we won't get hit because of the wind is too strong. It was so